have my January BoxyCharm here. Now this is the regular BoxyCharm box. It has the theme Breaking the Ice. So let's see what we have in here. We have Pretty Vulgar concealer, some eyeshadow, blush and bronzer. Ooh, I love the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask, and Petite'n Pretty Mascara. Alright, let's take a look. So here is one of my all-time favorites, actually, the Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I absolutely love this stuff. So it seriously makes such a difference in how soft my skin is. And I do like to use it when I sleep. I don't usually do the option to put it on and wash it off. I like to sleep in it, and then it makes my skin incredibly soft the next day. Alright, let's see. Pretty Vulgar. So this is the first time that I ever got concealer from BoxyCharm. So I'm excited to try this. The shade does look good. It looks like they sent me Little White Lies, number 60. So I'll definitely try this one out and see. When I had first tried to get the concealer and the foundation from them, I just had to take like a quick quiz and match up just some colors of what I usually wear in other brands. So that was easy. Alright, let's see. This is like such a cute little container. Petite'n Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. Very cool. Let's open it and see what the brush looks like. Nice. It's nice and full. Sweet. I'm excited to use that. I love the container. It's literally so adorable. Okay. Moving on. Let's see. Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. Let's open this up. Let's see. Those look nice. So here, let's get rid of the plastic. So Bellini and Costa Ray. I think that's how you say it. So these look like really good colors. The blush is just a nice soft pink, and the bronzer definitely does not look too dark for me to wear every day. Okay, and last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauty. It's called Scarlet Dusk. This must have a lot of reds in it. Let's see. It does. Okay, so we have some oranges, some browns, reds. Ooh, they have fun names. Sangria, that's fun. Maui, I've always wanted to go there. Aruba, Bahamas, this makes me want to take a vacation. Awesome. So this definitely has some really cool colors in it. We'll be trying this one out for some fun looks. Awesome. Alright, so this is the January BoxyCharm. Again, this is the regular box. Breaking the Ice theme. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to be putting a referral code or a link in my stories. That way, if you guys haven't joined BoxyCharm yet, you can certainly use my code to join and have some fun with makeup every month like I do. Alright guys, bye!